Are you tired of struggling to come up with engaging and high quality content for your designs? Look no further than Canva Magic Write. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva's AI-powered copy generator to quickly and easily generate amazing content for your designs. Now say goodbye to writer's block and hello to creative inspiration with Canva Magic Write. Whether you're creating your social media posts, blog articles for your website, or writing any product descriptions, this powerful tool will help you generate unique, high-quality content in no time. So join me today for this Canva tutorial and discover the magic of Canva Magic Write. So let's begin. Go to canva.com. If you don't have an account on Canva yet, you can sign up for Canva using the link in the description. Once you're on canva.com, you have to click on the doc icon that's there. The docs icon that's there in the first fold. Once you open the docs icon, it will open up a blank docs page for you. Okay, once you have the blank doc open in front of you, press the plus icon, and there you will see different actions available. Click on Magic Write. Now you have to prompt it to write something for you. Here we are going to prompt it to write social media post, some social media post for Instagram. So let's give it a prompt to write some motivational post around health and fitness for Instagram, and let's see how it responds. Okay, so we are finished writing and prompting the Magic Writer to write the post for us. Alright, so it has generated some posts for us, like take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live in, don't let yesterday's failure ruin the beauty of today's journey, sweat now, shine later. Alright, so pretty good ones. The theme's very effective. Let's prompt the Magic Writer to write something else. Let's give it something complex. So let's just give it let's try to create a resume for a product executive with 1 year of experience. Let's write it down and see what copy it generates for us. So far it has given us good social media posts that we can utilize for Instagram or maybe Facebook also. Let's see if we give it something complex to write, how's the response going to be. It's now generating the response, the resume for us. Okay, so now it has the resume written for us with the different sections, the objective, summary, education, experience, and the skills, etc. Alright, so it's a nice a resume where we have to just update, make it personalized. It has written down the skills that a product executive needs. So pretty good. Let's try it out with one more prompt. Okay, so now let's give it one more prompt to write us a YouTube video script, and let's see how the response is going to be. We'll ask it to write a YouTube video script for let's say Canva tips. So how to use Canva for a business, and let's see how it responds. So we are just going to ask it to write 10 tips about how to use Canva for business, and we'll check how the script comes up. Alright, it's generating the response. Okay, so the response is generated. It has written 10 tips. It has the intro included. It has the introduction from the host and the 10 tips. And then in the ending, it has an outro as well, thanking the viewers who have watched the video, and also with a call to action asking them to like, share, and subscribe. So, so far, the Magic Write function of Canva has generated some very good, effective responses, very useful responses, and it can definitely be used for writing a copy for your different design needs, like for your social media posts, or maybe for writing invitations, or writing brand guidelines, or maybe to create representation slides. So it's very good. Let's see how we can use it in other design types. We'll just try to create a social media post for Facebook. We'll choose one of the templates, and let's see how we can use it. You don't have it directly available here. You have to the Magic Write function directly available here. You have to choose, click on the icon, the magic icon on the right hand side bottom of the screen to invoke the Canva assistant. And once you have it invoked, from there you can use the different options that are there, that is summarize text or edit with Magic Write. Choose the option that is edit with Magic Write, and we'll just ask it to rewrite the motivational quote, and let's see what it does. So we are asking it to write a motivational quote. Let's see what the response is. Okay, so it has generated a motivational quote, "Believe you can and you are halfway there," by Theodore Roosevelt. So it does a pretty neat job. So yeah, this is it. I think Canva Magic Write is pretty useful if you need help with generating topic ideas or generating social media posts for your different social media pages, or maybe if you want to write a presentation about something or extend invite, utilize this AI assistant, utilize the Canva Magic Write feature to write your design copies, and use them whenever you want. It definitely is very handy feature, and is very useful for doing bulk work. If you have to write a lot of social media posts or write a big article around some things, it will definitely come in handy, and make those copywriting jobs a lot easier. Utilizing your own creativity and Magic Create, you can write a great copy for your website blog post or social media posts, etc. So this is it for this video. For more videos to help you out with your business, and for any tech related issues or any review post, any new gadget reviews, etc., do like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with any of your friends and colleagues who might find this helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.